Hey friends, if you wish to fix the Windows Update error 0x80240025, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. We have a script for you. This script will reset Windows Update components. So I will select this script. I've shared it in the description section of the video. I'll search for command prompt and then I'll click on run as administrator on the right hand side. Now I'll paste the script here and hit enter. Let me show you what this script does. It will stop all the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock. It will restart the services and you're done. Basically, every single troubleshooting related to Windows updates is cleared in this one. After this, the next solution will be to use the Windows Update Troubleshooter. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, select run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.